A hot class, we heat it up to 100 degrees.
Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Did you know that over 1 billion people worldwide live with some form of neurological disability? This makes it even more inspiring to see how they tackle challenges like Bosu mountain climbers. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
All right, now we're going to do the Bosu mountain climber. So the Bosu is unstable surface, right? And you're going to have to be hands directly under your shoulders. You're going to try to keep them like that the whole time. You're going to try to bring your foot up next to your hand, right? Now that's an unstable surface, so it's wobbling. So you have to really keep your body tight and stable.
Yeah, that's only my third time doing it.
Only your third time? Yeah, that's right. We haven't really practiced these, but you know what?
It was impossible before.
It was impossible, but you know what? That's how we keep getting better at everything. Just try it. Practice it. Bring that foot up beside the hand, as close as you can get it. Now bring it up, sink the hips. Bring it up, sink the hips, and it'll give you a good stretch too. Control it. Do not let it control you. Come on. The more we can challenge the neuromuscular system, I want that CNS challenged at every turn. Good, keep going. And we're doing this in our vital classroom here. A hot class, we heat it up to 100 degrees for our build, burn, and breathe classes, weightlifting, HIIT, and yoga-like stretching classes. I've heard, I don't know where I heard it, but I've heard that people say that someone with ataxia or a neurodegenerative condition shouldn't train in the heat like this, but I know of no valid medical data that says you shouldn't. I don't see the contraindication in anything. The benefits of working out in a hot environment for a person with or without a neurodegenerative condition should be the same. I don't see where this can affect you in a negative way at all. But we do like to prove people wrong because so much of the information out there is bogus.
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting hard. That's good right there. Good.
In conclusion, with the right adaptations and support, individuals with neurological disabilities can engage in Bosu mountain climbers and reap the many benefits that this exercise has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below.